एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है कृति एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कि जुडिशरी को क्रैक करने के लिए आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए, कौन सी आपको बुक्स रीड करनी चाहिए और कौन से आपको कोचिंग जाना चाहिए या नहीं जाना चाहिए। तो इसके लिए ऑब्वियसली मैंने एक ऐसे इंसान से बात की है जिन्होंने अभी अभी लास्ट ईयर ही राजस्थान जुडिशरी सर्विसेज में AIR 29 पाई है। और मैं आज उनसे बात करने वाली हूँ कि उन्होंने वो कैसे पढ़ती थी, कितने देर तक पढ़ती थी। वो मेरे साथ ही NLIU भोपाल में। तो विदाउट मच फर्दर अडू, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Many congratulations to you, Aishwarya. Please introduce yourself to us.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya S. Agarwal. I have pursued BA LLB Honours from National Law Institute, University Bhopal, and in 2019 I passed out from NLIU, and in the same year I appeared for RGS, and in Rajasthan Judicial Service Examination I secured the 29th rank.
That's an amazing rank, Aishwarya. Can you please share कि आपने कौन सी बुक्स को रेफर किया था अपने प्रीलिम्स और मेंस की प्रिपरेशन के लिए?
So barracks were the most important part of my study. I had looked into the syllabus of Rajasthan Judiciary, and then I had studied the barracks of the respective laws. For better understanding of the lengthier subjects, I referred to certain books like Takwani for CPC, Kelkar for CRPC, Pillai for IPC, Batuklal and A.K. Jain for evidence, again A.K. Jain for contracts, J.N. Pandey for constitution, and R.K. Sinha for TPA. And then I had studied the local laws from the barracks only, they were quite sufficient. But then I would like to point out that solving questions was also equally important. So I had purchased the question bank of single publications in which they have given a list of the unsolved mains questions of all the states examination. That was also very helpful.
The next question that I want to ask is how many hours did you devote for the preparation and how long did you study for?
I started preparing systematically when I was in the final year of BLLB. I used to devote 6 to 8 hours every day for judicial service preparation. But then again, this is a very subjective thing and varies from person to person. Intensity is always more important than the duration of study.
So did you take coaching from anywhere or do you recommend a certain coaching, or is coaching even necessary to prepare for the judiciary examination?
I took guidance from Subodh Law classes, which is situated in my hometown in Ranchi. Their guidance was very helpful, particularly for getting a grasp over the fundamentals of every subject, and their constant feedback helped me improve a lot. Now, it is very difficult to mention the name of any particular coaching institution because every coaching institute has its own way of teaching, has its own merits. But the key thing is what I have found during my preparation, that a good understanding of the subject along with a grasp on the fundamentals of every topic, plus more and more answer writing and solving a lot of questions would ultimately help. That is the key.
So, alright, this is going to be the last question, that what is some tips or some strategy that you want to tell the viewers to go about their preparation for the judiciary examination for any state?
The Judicial Service Examination covers an entire period of 1 year, and all the 3 stages of the examination have different requirements. Reading is just one of the parts. For prelims, apart from multiple revisions, it is important that you attempt as many MCQs as possible. That would ensure that the silly mistakes are minimized at the exam. For mains, it is important that you practice as many answers as possible, and that too within a limited time frame, so that you are able to cope up with the pressure at the examination hall. Attempting mock tests would be very crucial. At the interview stage, I would like to point out that please maintain your originality or naturality. Don't try to show what you are not, because that would have an adverse impact. And it is important to remember that the interview is taken by respectable persons. they are judges of the High Court, and it is very important that you are humble before them, you are truthful before them, and it is okay if you are not able to answer a few questions. That's not a problem. Polite refusal or a polite no is better than giving wrong answers or giving twisted answers and all. So I would like to say that stay confident, at the same time stay humble during the interview. Then, during the entire span of preparation, there can be many ups and downs. That is very natural, that someday you study properly, someday you don't study properly. So it is very important that you keep calm, and for keeping calm it is important that you pursue your hobbies during the little breaks that you take between studies. And I would like to say that put in all your efforts for the examination, and the results will automatically follow. All the best, everyone.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for being a part of this video, and I really hope you achieve greater heights in your life. And thank you very, very much to be on my channel.
Thank you, Kriti. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my experience.
So guys, that is it for the video. I told you कि आप कौन सी बुक रेफर कर सकते हैं, इन बुक्स को आप प्रेफर करिए. इसके अलावा आप बुक कितना देर पढ़ती थी वो भी आपको मैंने बता दिया है. बाकी जो टिप्स देना चाहती है वो भी आपने सुन ली है. तो इसका बॉटम लाइन यही है कि आप अपने एफर्ट्स डालते रहिए. रिजल्ट्स विल ऑलवेज फॉलो. एंड आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. कमेंट डाउन बिलो अगर आपके पास कोई टिप्स है या और कोई आपको क्वेश्चंस है. एंड आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.